At number 10, we have the Hypo 8-pack Sublimation tumblers. These 20 ounces straight skinny tumblers are perfect for all your sublimation needs. Each set comes individually gift boxed, making it an ideal gift for holidays, anniversaries, and birthdays. Included are 8 spill-proof lids, stainless steel straws, straw brushes, non-slip silicone bases, sublimation paper, and shrink-wrap sheets. The added silicone base prevents sliding and reduces noise, enhancing the tumbler's convenience. Crafted with food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, these tumblers boast a premium sublimation coating, allowing for vibrant, full-color printing on a perfectly smooth surface. Their vacuum double-wall design ensures your drinks stay hot or cold for up to 12 hours, regardless of the season. The completely straight body design makes wrapping your tumbler with full patterns easy and seamless, reducing sublimation work failures. For the best results, use heat shrink wrap and follow the recommended heating instructions. Heat your press or oven to 180 to 356 degrees Fahrenheit and press for 50 to 100 seconds, or wait 6 minutes in the oven. Whether you're crafting for yourself or creating personalized gifts, the Hypo Sublimation tumblers offer a top-notch canvas for your creativity. At number 9, we have the Calugi Mini Heat Press, a versatile heat transfer machine perfect for all your crafting needs. This compact device, measuring just 4.52 by 2.95 by 5.1 inches, is as portable as it is powerful, with a heat plate size of 2.87 by 4.43 inches. With its single-button design, adjusting temperature and switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit has never been easier. A quick press allows you to cycle through 3 temperature settings: low at 284 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Celsius, medium at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and high at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Safety is paramount with the Calugi Mini Heat Press, which features an auto power-off function after 10 minutes of inactivity and an insulated safety base to prevent accidental burns. The LED display shows real-time temperature, allowing you to make quick adjustments and save valuable time. This mini heat press heats up fast, reaching 140 degrees Celsius in about 3 minutes, 160 degrees Celsius in around 40 seconds, and 180 degrees Celsius in just 50 seconds. With a removable power cord and a US plug included, it's designed for easy storage and portability, supporting 110-220V voltage with a built-in safety fuse. Ergonomically designed for comfort, this mini heat press is ideal for small or unique heat transfer projects. Whether you're customizing t-shirts, hats, bags, masks, socks, or pillows, the Calugi Mini Heat Press is your perfect crafting companion. It makes a thoughtful gift for family or loved ones, bringing the joy of crafting to any occasion. Coming in at number 8, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for t-shirts. This 15 by 15 smart t-shirt press machine is perfect for sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine is designed to free your hands and simplify your crafting process. Simply load your project, push the ironing board inside, and press the R button to start. The machine automatically adjusts to your project's thickness, up to 1 inch, and releases once the timer goes off. Say goodbye to burned projects and hello to ease and efficiency. This heat press heats up fast and evenly. It reaches a common use temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, which is twice as fast as regular machines. Thanks to the NTC thermistor technology and dual-tube heating engine, the HTVRONT Heat Press ensures even heat distribution and consistent temperatures, giving you professional quality transfers every time. If you're looking to scale up your production or start a side hustle, this automatic heat press is perfect for you. It features multiple modes, including 4 fast modes, 2 custom modes, and an auto mode, making heat transfers quicker and simpler than ever. Customize clothing, accessories, decor, gifts, and more, all with a professional quality finish. Safety is a top priority with the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. The ironing board is separated from the heating plate, making it safer to use around kids and pets. The drawer slide design keeps your hands away from the hot plate, and the machine automatically shuts off after 15 minutes of inactivity, ensuring peace of mind. This versatile heat press is not only great for t-shirts and apparel but also compatible with other materials like wood signs and ceramic coasters up to 1 inch in thickness. It meets USA safety standards with FCC certification and comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime-friendly customer service. If you encounter any problems, HTVRONT is there for you with 24/7 support. Number 7 on our countdown is the Cricut Brayer, a versatile rubber roller designed for flawless fabric crafting. This high-quality tool ensures you achieve impeccable finishes on your fabric projects with ease. The Cricut Brayer extends the life of your Cricut fabric grip mat by facilitating the smooth and easy application and removal of fabric materials. With every use, you'll get wonderful results and maintain the longevity of your mat. This rubber brayer is not just for fabric. It seamlessly eliminates wrinkles, kinks, bubbles, and puckers from various materials, making it ideal for vinyl, iron-on projects, and inking blocks for printmaking. As a crafting companion, the Cricut Brayer is an essential tool among other Cricut accessories and printmaking supplies. It's a perfect match for all Cricut Maker machines, making your crafting process clever and easy. Cricut supplies are designed to make crafting and DIY projects fun, simple, and quick. With the Cricut Brayer, you're all set to fuel your creative fire and bring beautiful projects to life right in your home. At number 6, we have the Cricut EasyPress mat, a protective and resistant mat for heat press machines, measuring 12 by 12 inches. This mat is perfect for achieving flawless iron-on transfers, ensuring your work surface is protected while allowing for easy application. It's also great for pressing sewing projects. The Cricut EasyPress mat is multi-layered and durable, designed to withstand the demands of heat press transfers. Its durable cover ensures even heat distribution, making it an ideal companion for the Cricut EasyPress 2 machine. Innovatively constructed, this mat features a special inner liner to eliminate moisture and a foil membrane to direct heat onto your projects. This ensures you get clean, dry heat for smooth, flawless iron-on transfers every time. Safety is a priority with the Cricut pressing mat. It includes a protective layer made of silicone foam for necessary insulation and a soft protective layer at the bottom to seal all the layers together, shielding your surface from any damaging heat. Cricut accessories are designed to make crafting and DIY projects fun, simple, and quick. With smart cutting and press machines, tools, craft supplies, and materials, the Cricut EasyPress mat helps you create beautiful projects right in your home. Get ready to fuel your creative fire. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5, we have the HTVRONT heat press machine for t-shirts. This portable 10-inch by 10-inch heat press, in a stylish mint green, is perfect for sublimation and HTV vinyl projects, including shirts, hats, and bags. The 2022 model introduces a new pressure display function, providing more accurate pressure readings to reduce ironing and sublimation errors. This digitalized pressure display is especially friendly for beginners, allowing you to achieve professional full t-shirt designs with ease. Heating up fast and evenly, this heat press saves you about 60 seconds of heating and transfer time compared to regular irons. The durable, high-temperature resistant materials ensure the sole plate doesn't deform or melt, with a maximum temperature of 410 degrees Fahrenheit 210 degrees Celsius. Even after prolonged use, the handle remains cool, preventing burns to your hands and ensuring a safe experience. Safety is a top priority with the HTVRONT heat press. It includes an insulated safety base to rest on, making it safer around kids and pets. The top and side handles keep your hands away from the hot plate, and the machine automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of inactivity, preventing accidental fires. Designed for dual-function use, this compact iron press features an ergonomic structure and can handle both sublimation and ironing projects. Its uniform surface temperature is perfect for large and layered projects, allowing you to transfer photos and custom designs onto t-shirts, pillows, bags, and more. With easy-to-follow instructions, the HTVRONT heat press machine is user-friendly. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime-friendly customer service, ensuring you have the best support for all your creative endeavors. At number 4, we have the Cricut EasyPress 2 heat press machine, a must-have tool for achieving professional heat transfer results with ease. Measuring 12 by 10 inches, it's perfect for t-shirts, tote bags, pillows, aprons, and more. The Cricut EasyPress 2 combines the speed of a heat press with the convenience of an iron. With adjustable time and temperature settings, you can control the heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 205 degrees Celsius and set the timer for any heat transfer project, ensuring precise results every time. Featuring an advanced heat plate design with a ceramic-coated surface, the EasyPress 2 heats up in under 2 minutes, ready to tackle even the most intricate prints quickly and efficiently. Lightweight and easy to store, this heat press is equipped with an insulated safety base and an auto-off feature, ensuring a safe and worry-free experience for all your projects. Cricut products conform to applicable standards like UL, CSA, FCC, and IEC, and are certified by nationally recognized testing labs such as TUV and Intertech, ensuring top-notch safety and reliability. Designed and tested in Utah, USA, Cricut products come with world-class support. The US-based member care team is available via phone and chat to assist with any questions or concerns, ensuring you have the best possible experience with your Cricut EasyPress 2. At number 3, we have the HTVRONT Sublimation HTV, a versatile sublimation vinyl perfect for both dark and light-colored cotton fabrics. Measuring 12 inches by 5 feet, this matte sublimation vinyl is ideal for creating personalized designs on t-shirts, bags, hats, pillows, and more. Made with advanced technology, HTVRONT Sublimation HTV offers a silky and soft touch to your sublimation patterns, ensuring a high-quality finish on your projects. Whether you're working with dark or light cotton fabrics, this vinyl delivers stunning color brilliance, providing vivid and restored colors that resist fading even under sun and rain exposure. The high-quality materials of HTVRONT Sublimation vinyl feature a strong adhesive, making it easy to weed and cut. The protective film covers the heat-pressed film, and it separates easily after pressing, ensuring no wrinkles or bubbles in your designs. With wide applicability, this sublimation vinyl allows you to create personalized and exclusive designs for various items, from t-shirts to backpacks. You can choose between a matte or high-gloss effect to match your preference. HTVRONT is dedicated to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions about their Sublimation HTV for dark or light fabrics, their team is ready to assist you, ensuring a soothing and enjoyable crafting experience. At number 2, we have the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press Machine, a small yet mighty portable iron press perfect for handling small projects like t-shirts, hats, and various heat transfer projects. This mini heat press is ideal for those times when you don't want to operate a big heat press. It's easy to use for small or unique HTV and sublimation ink projects, making it a versatile tool for any crafter. The HTVRONT heat press offers 3 heat settings to meet all your heat transfer needs. You can easily switch between low, 284 degrees Fahrenheit / 140 degrees Celsius, medium, 320 degrees Fahrenheit / 160 degrees Celsius, and high, 356 degrees Fahrenheit / 180 degrees Celsius, temperatures, giving you precise control for different projects. Heating up quickly, this mini heat press saves you 20 seconds compared to other brands. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, so you won't burn yourself while working. Lightweight and easy to carry, the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press comes with an insulated base and a user manual, making it perfect for travel or crafting on the go, such as at craft fairs. HTVRONT is committed to providing the best customer service on Amazon. If you encounter any problems with this heat press machine, their team will work with you to find a customized solution. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime-friendly customer service. And now, at number 1, we have the Cricut EasyPress Mini Heat Press, the ultimate tool for high-impact heat transfer results on small and uniquely shaped objects like shoes, stuffed animals, hats, and more. This mini but mighty heat press is designed for precision and control, allowing you to effortlessly cycle through 3 heat settings for every iron-on, infusible ink, and sublimation project. The comfortable hand grip and precision tip ensure supreme accuracy, making it perfect for those intricate designs. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, the Cricut EasyPress Mini comes with an insulated safety base and an auto-off feature for added safety and convenience. It works seamlessly with major brands of HTV or iron-on materials and is an ideal companion for Cricut smart cutting machines, making it incredibly versatile for all your sewing and quilting projects. Cricut products conform to applicable standards like UL, CSA, FCC, and IEC, and are certified by nationally recognized testing labs such as TUV and Intertech, ensuring top-notch safety and reliability. Designed and tested in Utah, USA, Cricut products come with world-class support. The US-based member care team is available via phone and chat to assist with any questions or concerns, ensuring you have the best possible experience with your Cricut EasyPress Mini. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.